Hello Riverwalk community, and welcome back to our monthly video update of the Riverwalk Phase 2 construction site. I'm actually standing in the attic right now, a place not many people get to see. As you can see, there's a lot of steel structure that has gone into this building, and directly above me is that beautiful red roof that's so iconic that so many of you know and love to see as you round the corner coming into town. It's been a very busy month since we last spoke. I'm very happy to tell you about some of the updates that have been going on here. First of all, I learned today that there's over 500,000 square feet of drywall going into Phase 2, much of which is already finished. We'll show you that in a minute. Also, by the time you see this video, the entire building will be fully watertight. That means we can have more crews inside doing more of the finish work, getting this building done, so all of you can come and enjoy it when you're ready. Now, enough for me. Let's go check out all of that new work. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm always amazed by the amount of work that gets accomplished here over a seemingly short amount of time. I'm standing now in the lower level, which houses a majority of our commercial space, including our 350 plus seat conference center, our commercial kitchen, a production winery, an even bigger spa than in Phase 1, and our commercial laundry facilities. Well, as you can see here at Riverwalk, the sun is shining and the weather is sweet, so it's time to get back to work. See you next month.